everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. My name is Heather Senn with Great American RV, and I hope you're having a fantastic summer so far. Speaking of summer, I would like to introduce you to the Heartland Prowler 315 BH, and what better time to spend your summer than camping?
Making memories, one weekend at a time.
So there's a lot of cool features on the outside of the Prowler and on the inside. I'll touch a lot of the most popular ones. It does have a power tongue jack. Okay, so that's fantastic. You don't have to crank down anything. You have two LP bottles up here. You have a Phylon front cap and a rock guard for any debris that kicks up behind your tires. This is kind of a sacrificial lamb. One of the best features that this Prowler has, especially in this price point, is the electric jacks. So it's hot, it's cumbersome, and nobody wants to spend 5-6 minutes cranking down each jack. So that's fantastic. You have a magnetically held, it's easy, full pass-through storage right here. Fishing poles, tables, luggage, whatever you want to put in here. You do have an outside kitchen with a refrigerator. You've got a little skillet right here. You also have a receptacle right here, some storage on the top right here for maybe your utensils or whatever you're using. And you do have a quick connect right here for a gas grill that works with your propane bottles, so you don't have to lug extra propane bottles around. You do have a power awning with an LED strip underneath and also outside speakers. So this particular unit also has Bluetooth, so you can pair your phone up, have your music, whatever you want, outside, inside, both places. So that's fantastic. And they also give you the 3-year structural warranty. We'll get into that in another session, but you do have it. So one of the amazing features about this model is it has a bath and a half. So your bunk room is back here, and you've got a double bunk on the bottom, a single bunk on the top. You've got some storage right here for like a TV, and then you have this half bath. So if you have guests, kids, whatnot, they don't have to travel across the coach at night. They have their own bathroom right here, right across from this couch. Also, well, two things. So if you're just sitting here and you have a guest, and you can put your drinks here, that's great. It also makes a bed. It is a jackknife bed, so it sleeps one person. But Heartland really thinks about what they're doing, and they also provide storage underneath here, because a lot of these, don't have enough storage for some people, especially if you're taking a lot of people with you. Directly across is where you'd put your TV. Here's your radio. Like I said earlier, you can pair your phone to this, play music outside, inside. It has dual zones. You also have 2 air conditioning units. So there's a 50 amp service, 2 AC units, and in the southern states it gets really hot, so that's very critical. You have a gas electric, freezer, refrigerator. You have a lot of kitchen counter space. It's an L-shaped counter, all LED lights throughout. You have a lot of counter space here with the beveled edge. It's pressed countertops with a stainless steel dual sink. You also have this backsplash, which also actually can be more prep for food, or like I said, you can utilize it as a backsplash when you're cooking. It does have 3 burners, and you have an actual oven as this one as well. The second full bathroom is right in here. Back here is the bedroom. Now they did change a couple things in 2021 models. This is a true queen. It is in all the Prowlers now, and more importantly, what they've done this year is they've cut an entryway right here on both sides that has a LED light in here, also a receptacle. This is strictly made for CPAP machines. So all your tubing, your wiring, your plug-in cord, all that just comes right through here. So easy to maintain. You can also hang a double X in there. A 2XL shirt fits in the closet space. You have more closet space across from the bed as well. Listen, I hope that I was informative for you. Again, my name is Heather Senn with Great American RV, and to all the campers out there, happy camping.